How to create a cow or Dalmatian spot pattern background in DaVinci Resolve 18.6.6. Inside your Project Edit window, go to Effects. Underneath Toolbox, select Generators. Scroll down to Fusion Generators and click and drag a noise gradient to your edit timeline. Use the Selection Mode tool by pressing A to click and drag on the end of the edit to change the duration, keeping an eye on the time difference and total duration in the box that appears next to your mouse cursor. With your noise gradient edit selected, go to Inspector and underneath Generator, select version 4, choose Gradient, click on the middle triangular color node which appears in the gradient bar, representing the default purple shade that you see appearing in the preview screen. Hold your mouse cursor down and drag upwards, letting go once this disappears from screen, so that you are left with two nodes, both black and white. In order to make the spots appear, we need to position these triangular nodes close to one another. I will first select the triangular node representing black and change the position on the bar to 0.6. The difference between the position of the black and white triangular nodes should be 0.04. Therefore, I will select the white triangular node and set the position here to 0.64. The further left these triangular nodes are on your gradient bar, the smaller the black spots will eventually be. If you position the black node beyond 0.6, you may notice an additional black line appearing in between your spots, which will spoil the cow Dalmatian pattern. Ensure that repeat is set to ping pong so that the appropriate spot pattern appears. In order to morph the black shade here now so that they represent the cow or Dalmatian spots more, select Controls, reduce detail from 2 to 0.8 to prevent the black shade from spreading out too greatly in the spot areas, reduce contrast slightly to 4 to prevent too much faint feather spillage of the black spots themselves and to make them appear slightly more solidified. Depending on the amount of spots that you wish to have appear in your background template, adjust the scale value. I wish to have more spots appearing, and so I will increase this value here to 6.3. And depending on the position that you want these spots, you can also adjust the value for angle. Here in this case, I will change this to 50. If you wish for the spots to have a more significant presence on screen, tick the inverted box. If you wish for the black spots to be animated, you can also adjust the seeth rate, and discontinuous options. Reducing the seeth rate to 0 will result in a static image appearing on your background. You can adjust the value for seeth to produce a particular still of the spots on screen. Click on the grey circle in the middle if you wish to reset this. Increasing the seeth rate will make the animation flow much faster. Ticking the discontinuous option will alter the appearance of your animation, as the size of the existing spots will either increase or decrease. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.